Have you ever heard of the cash cow of YouTube known as faceless videos? If not, you're in for a treat. Faceless videos are a popular trend on YouTube where creators remain anonymous or hide their faces to focus solely on the content they're sharing. These videos have immense potential for generating income on YouTube, making them a lucrative option for online monetization. In this video, we'll delve into the benefits of utilizing faceless videos for making money online and explore the strategies and techniques that can help you succeed in this realm. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind this intriguing and profitable YouTube phenomenon. Setting up your channel. Ready to dive into the world of faceless videos and maximize your revenue potential on YouTube? The first step is to establish a YouTube channel optimized for this unique content format. Start by choosing a catchy channel name that is related to online income or money making to attract your target audience. Next, create a visually appealing channel banner and logo that represent the niche you'll be focusing on in your videos. Finally, make sure to set up monetization features such as AdSense and channel memberships to start earning money from your content. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a successful channel for faceless videos and increasing your online income. Creating engaging content. When it comes to producing faceless videos that captivate viewers and encourage engagement, quality is key. Start by focusing on trending topics or evergreen content that appeals to a broad audience, ensuring that your videos have a wide reach. To maintain viewer interest without showing your face, use clear and concise scripts to convey information effectively. Remember, the power of storytelling can make a significant impact on engagement. Additionally, incorporate engaging visuals, animations, or text overlays to enhance the viewer experience and keep them hooked throughout the video. By following these guidelines, you'll be able to create compelling faceless videos that leave a lasting impression on your audience. Monetization strategies. To monetize your faceless videos effectively and maximize your earnings, it's essential to implement strategic monetization tactics. One lucrative approach is to utilize affiliate marketing by promoting relevant products or services in your video descriptions. This can help you earn commissions for every sale or lead generated through your affiliate links. Another avenue to explore is sponsorship opportunities with brands looking to connect with your target audience. By partnering with brands that align with your content, you can secure paid sponsorships and collaborations. Additionally, optimizing your video SEO by using relevant keywords and tags can increase visibility and ad revenue, further boosting your monetization efforts. By incorporating these strategies, you can unlock the full earning potential of your faceless videos, building a strong audience. Growing a loyal and engaged audience for your faceless videos is crucial for increasing watch time and revenue on YouTube.